Welcome, class. Today, our session title is Week 5, Session 18, Covalent Bonding and Lewis Structures. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to draw Lewis structures for simple covalent molecules. Listen for these key terms: covalent bond, Lewis structure, lone pair, bonding pair, octet. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Covalent bonding happens when atoms share electrons. Lewis structures are bookkeeping diagrams that show valence electrons as dots and bonds as shared pairs. The goal is usually to give atoms stable valence shells, often an octet, while hydrogen only needs 2 electrons. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Count total valence electrons, choose a central atom, connect atoms with single bonds, complete outer octets, then place leftover electrons on the central atom. If the central atom lacks an octet, form double or triple bonds when appropriate. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example, drawing water. Water, H2O, has 6 valence electrons from oxygen and 1 from each hydrogen for 8 total. Put oxygen in the center and form 2 OH single bonds, using 4 electrons. The remaining 4 electrons become 2 lone pairs on oxygen. Hydrogen has 2 electrons, and oxygen has an octet. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. Carbon dioxide, CO2, has 16 valence electrons. Carbon belongs in the center. Single bonds do not give carbon an octet after outer atoms are completed, so double bonds form. O equals C equals O. Now answer this self-check. How many valence electrons are in CH4? A strong answer should include 8. Hint: carbon has 4, and 4 hydrogens contribute 4 more. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Draw Lewis structures for NH3 and H2S. Task 2. Explain why hydrogen does not need an octet. Task 3. Identify bonding pairs and lone pairs in water. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.